Hi, I'm Margarine and welcome to my kitchen. On today's video, we'll be making a marble cake, and our ingredients are as follows: flour, sugar, margarine, baking powder, cocoa powder, salt, and this is oil, 3 eggs, essence, vanilla, and milk. That is all you need to make a marble cake. So we'll start by mixing our wet ingredients together. And as always, I love beating my eggs on a separate bowl just in case you get a spoiled egg. Add sugar. And this is the cup I've been measuring with, and that is what I used to measure the flour with. So you can just make sure whatever cup you're using is standard, is what you'll use across. After that, we'll put in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll put our baking powder in our flour. This is 2 cups of flour. Remember, I've been using 1 cup. We need 2 teaspoons of this baking powder. I like mixing it separately so that it can mix well with the flour. And now let's put in our flour. You can see the consistency. This is what you need. Now the next step, we will divide this mixture into 2. And on one mixture we'll put in our cocoa powder. We'll put 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Make sure it is well mixed. Now that is done, we get our baking tin, and this is where we use the margarine. But before we do this, we should first be preheating our oven. 180 degrees for 10 minutes. After applying margarine, then you put a little flour so that your cake does not stick on the baking tin. And then you spread it evenly, even to the top. This is what you need to do. Then we'll go in with our mixture now. And just spread it inside, just a little bit. And just so you know, you can also bake this on your gas stove. You don't have to have an oven to bake. The only thing is you'll use a sufuria and not a baking tin. Our oven is now preheated, so we'll put in our mixture in the oven We had put 10 minutes. Now we'll put it in for about 45 minutes. It's baking at 180 degrees. So it's now 1 hour since we took our cake from the oven. Now let's cut and see how it looks inside. You can see how spongy it is. And yeah, you have your marble cake ready. You can take this with tea or a glass of milk, juice, yeah, anything you would prefer. And if you like this video, please watch out for my next episode.